Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to fix connection problem in OnePlus Turbo 6X. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.